visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, take what's only yours. So Leo, parang medyo marami tayong iniisip, no? Especially itong person na medyo either nakaalitan natin, sabihin natin, you and this person may be in separations right now, whether it is physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? What have you. Or energetic, pwede nakikita naman kayo pero hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. Namimiss mo yung mga dati ninyong ginagawa. And I feel like hindi lang naman ikaw. I feel like this is a mirrored energy. Mirrored energy dahil kung ano yung iniisip mo, kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, yun din yung kanyang nafe-feel. So, sisingit lang ako ng tanong. Kung gano'n naman pala, sino ang unang mag-move? Dahil both of you actually wants to see each other, talk to each other. The full card, the Three of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. I feel like there may be some age gap in here. It can be a May-December love affair. It may not be. Pwedeng konti lang din naman yung gap. If we're not talking about the numbers, pwedeng yung maturity. Pwedeng yung isa ahead, no? Or mature mag-isip, yung isa isip bata. Nag-aantay lang yung may pagkaisip bata. Siguro takot itong mapagalitan, takot ma-scold, ma-call out. Siguro nga, meron ditong part na mas malaki yung kanyang nagawa or siya talaga ang may kasalanan why you are in this situation na separations, no? So parang sinasabing nito, inaantay ko lang yung move ni Leo. Or kung sino itong bata, baka pwede rin naman cross-watchers, no? Meron dito, basta isa dito nag-aantay. Pero willing na to have a conversation, to fix the connection with the King of Swords, the Lovers, and the King of Wands. I feel like meron kasi ditong cutthroat. Siguro nabasa na nito yung ugali, no? Ng person na bigla kasi itong umaano bigla-bigla na lang kasi nagagalit din minsan. At saka siguro itong pag nagsalita, isahang word lang, no? Pero makapanakit. No? Hindi ito nananakit siguro ng physical, pero kapag nagsalita, medyo masakit magsalita, tumatagos. Kaya, eto ngayong isa, nag-aantay. Chances are, Meron din kayo ditong alam nyo sa isa't isa na hindi lang ito basta relationship. For a few numbers of you, meron kayong soul contract dito. Yung iba tinatawag itong soulmate, no? Pero chances are this is more of a twin flame connection for those who are in a twin flame relationship, no? With the King of Wands kasi in here, parang isa ready na ako makipag-usap. Kaso, baba mo muna tong sword mo kasi nandun yung fear, nandun yung part na hindi ako hindi ako komportable kung heighten yung emotions mo, no? Ang laki ng takot. With the Eight of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Wheel of Fortune, meron ditong promise of changes. Meron ditong promise of, oo, magbabago na ako. Oo, hindi ko na siya gagawin uli. Oo, I'm going to work on myself for these changes. Um, Kailangan ko ang tulong mo, no, for you to guide me also. Meron din ditong part na, oo, babayaran na kita. Oo, ibibigay ko na or oo, isosoli ko na, no? Uh, Wag ka lang magalit sa akin. If that is the reason kung bakit tayo nagkaroon ng separations, no? Babayaran ko na muna kahit may interest, o 'di ba? Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, pero parang feeling ko to avoid the hassle, to avoid itong um kasi nga 'di ba merong kahit papaano na napasama niya yung ugali mo, napasama niya yung loob mo. Kaya medyo ibibigay niya itong may kaunting pakonsuelo, no? May pakonsuelo naman siya. The Six of Swords, the Sun, and the Ten of Cups. Nako, Leo, parang ikaw pa lang yung pangalawa na binasahan ko ng medyo maganda ang week. I feel like deserve na nito, no? Deserve nyo ng makapag-usap. Deserve nyo na ayusin itong situation. Deserve nyo na magkaroon ng agreement. Deserve nyo na bukod sa mag-usap muli, parang lumabas na kayo uli, mag-date na kayo, palitan nyo na yung status nyo na kayo na uli, no? Kung meron siya talaga mga pangakong pagbabago, I feel like this person's going to do their best, no? Para ipakita sa'yo na they deserve another chance. It may be their second chance, third chance, fourth chance, whatever, how many chances, no? But I feel like ito na yung pinaka-final and I feel like ito yung pinaka-totoo. Natutunan na nito yung lesson ng separations ninyo, no? Parang sabi niya, hindi ko naman din kaya pala, no? Feeling ko medyo matagal-tagal na eh, patag-ulan na, summer pa kayo nag-away, so okay na to, no? Ikaw na lang yung inaantay. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, Leo, na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Leo, Aries. Ayan. So this is your reading, Leo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.